Hi my lovies and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since you've seen this face hanging around YouTube. I have been on my travels and I'm gonna do an updated video of kind of like a life update, kind of what's been going on with me, what I've been doing, because I feel like I've been MIA for so long. I feel like it's so strange talking to the camera because even though I have been vlogging the last 6 weeks when I've been traveling around Vietnam and China, I haven't actually sat down and put makeup on in weeks. Today I am going to be showcasing to you the new collection of makeup that's come out to Penneys. This is a sponsored video, so thank you so much to Penneys. And I'm super excited to be working with them today, so I want to talk through some of the new products that are in Penneys for the makeup related stuff. I am so out of the loop with everything. I have no idea what's going on in the land of makeup and YouTube and anything, so at least I know what's going on in Penneys because it was my first trip. The second I got home I was like, right, I need to see what's new in Penneys. So many cute bits in there at the moment. I'm going to apply my makeup to my face. I'm going to use the Perfect Colour foundation. I'm going to do this off camera, guys, because I have a foundation routine coming up very soon, so I don't want to bore you to tears with this. Keep an eye out for that video. I'll be back in a mo. Okay, foundation is done. I didn't want to do too much foundation because obviously I have a natural tan at the moment and my little freckles are popping through and I kind of wanted to keep some of them there, but this foundation is so full coverage that I think it just kind of covered up loads. Anyway, let's move on. So the products that I'm going to be using today are the KPOP products. So these are the brand new makeup release from Primark or Penneys, and they're like designed based around Korean makeup and they're so adorable. So these are some of the blushes that they have. These are called the Bubba blushes. They're cushion blushes, and if you're watching my vlog channel you would have seen me demonstrate these before. They are so cute. So when you open up the packaging, you get this little applicator. There's a clip over the top of the product and you obviously push it off, and then it comes with like a plastic seal, and there you have the blush inside. So the shade I have here is called Coral Dream Sugar Rush, and then I have the shade Pastel Pink. You can press your finger into it and it gives a really light little application of blush. That might be a bit too fair for me at the moment, so it just gives a really light application of blush, and obviously I haven't set my face so I can test them out. The other blushes I have are the Super Cheeky Cheek Tint, and this one comes in like a little like sponge applicator. I've tried this one already as well. This is super pink. I don't know if you can see that there. It is crazy pink. Again, same technique with it. You just apply it to your cheeks and you blend it out. I'm obsessed with these. I just think that they're the cutest packaging ever. I think that, oh my, no, that is that shade there. It's kind of like a brownie nudie shade. You can use these obviously on your lips as well. Like there's no issue with that. So that's that kind of brownie nude shade, which is called Sherbet Crush. The other blush products are these ones here. These are called the Dream Cloud Creamy Blushes, and I have two shades. So this is Dreamy and then Sunset. I think I'm gonna like Sunset a lot because it's like a coral shade. So again, these are universal. Cheeks, eyes, lips, you can use them wherever you want. Wow, that's really pigmented. That's it there. That is super pigmented. That would be great on the lips, definitely. So that's both of them there. Really bright. The cushion blushes are my favorite, so I think I'm going to go with them first and apply them onto my face. I'm going to try this one here in Coral Dreams. I'm just going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks. It's not taking off my foundation though, which is really good. But I kind of want that real natural look, if that makes any sense. I know I'm saying that and I have like full coverage foundation on, but that was a complete accident. I just want something a bit natural. And that's what this makeup line is supposed to be. That's really pretty. Oh, I love it. That blush is really easy to use. I'm sure you could use the applicator if you want to. I'm gonna go in with some highlighters. These are their liquid highlighters. So these are the three shades. So I've got Glow Girl, which is this kind of pinky pearlescent shade. That's unbelievable. Then I've got this one called Diamond, and then I don't know what this shade is called because I pulled off the label. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That's that one there. So they're all kind of like duochromes and iridescent. So I think I'm gonna go with this kind of one with the goldy lid. I'm just gonna dab that on the tops of my cheekbones here. Actually, we'll just go with this side first and then just blend it out with my finger because I don't know how quickly these set. Bit of my nose. Oh my, a lot on my nose. Oh dear, Ashing. It's just really subtle. It's not like massively luminescent. It's just a really subtle highlighting glow. And I like it. I like it a lot. I really like cream products, but I'm always afraid when I apply them that I'm just going to mess up. With these are really easy to apply and they're not leaving any streaks or anything like that. So that is that. I'm going to apply my concealer and brow product and then I'll come back. Okay, now that my face is set, I can move on to my powder products. I have the Sweet Cheeks powdered product. So these products are a mix of blushes and highlighting products, and I'm just super excited to try these. These would be kind of like your two blushes, or if you're deeper you can use that as a highlight, and these are obviously like the two highlighters. Obviously there's no, you know, rhyme or reason to what you use. It's up to yourself because it's makeup at the end of the day and you can do whatever you want with it. So they're these shades that come in the product. Aren't they just so pretty? Like, look at them, they're super pretty. The shade Bonbon I'm going to use as a blush. It is quite shimmery, so I'm just going to take a teeny tiny bit because I don't want to be like a shimmery disco ball. I'm just going to place it over the blush that I already have down. The cushion blush is quite bright, so I'm just going to use this as almost like a topper. I know that I said like candy floss could be used as a blush, but I'm going to see what it looks like as a highlight. I just think it's really pretty, so I'm just going to take a highlighting brush. I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my cheekbones. Oh my, that was quite bright. Oh dear, I may apply it a bit too much, and I think because I have the highlighter on underneath, it's going to intensify it. Oh my god, there's so, oh dear me. That's actually one of the prettiest highlights I've used in a while. It's gorgeous. It's real kind of like wet looking almost. I really like it. And now I'm going to move on to this one here. This is called the Sugar Rush eyeshadow palette. That was called the Sweet Cheeks palette, just if you're wondering. This is the Sugar Rush. So look at the shades here. There is so many warm, beautiful warm shades here, and then these two cooler shades in the middle. Super cute. I'm so drawn to this yellow already. Like, look at the color in that. And like these coral shades, they look really pretty. Definitely this like periwinkle blue as well. I just think the blue and purple go really well together. I also have this product here called Beaming. This is their highlighting body highlighter, and do you know what, I'll just apply it now. I actually brought this with me when I was in China, and it looks super nice. Like, you can't really, you might not be able to see it that far away. Oh, you can kind of see it there glowing. It gives you this gorgeous natural glow, and when you have a tan, it just looks amazing. And it's not like shimmery, it's just, see it there, like it's like glowy. And I brought this away with me. Like I said, there's probably very little left in it, so if I can pick up another one of these in Penneys, I will. So to start, I'm going to take this corally shade here, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease with the fluffy brush and just build that up. My skin might be a bit too deep for this at the moment, but I can build it up into a really good transition shade, I guess. Coral shade is super pretty. So I'm just gonna place that into my crease. I'm going to go in, I think, with this like orangey shade next. So it's like a reddy orange, and I'm just going to place that on the outer corner of my eye, just to add a bit of dimension, I suppose. Okay, so that red is a bit pigmented, so I just want to go easy with it. So just go very lightly with this, but still kind of winging it out. Okay, so I'm still kind of just blending out or building up that kind of orangey red on the outer corner, but like taking it very lightly and then just kind of bringing it out on the outer corner of my eye, like almost like winging it out. And now I'm going to be really brave. I'm going to take the yellow and I'm going to apply, there's a bit of kickback from that yellow, not too much, but a little bit more than the other shades. Okay, so let's pop this onto my eye, just in here. I'm gonna keep layering it until I'm pretty happy with it. I didn't actually think when I started out doing my makeup this morning I was gonna have like yellow and orange eyes, but now I'm looking at it, I'm like, I couldn't imagine anything else. I'm gonna take the shade Lemon Sherbet from the highlighting palette. I'm gonna pop this into my inner portion of my eye just to brighten it up ever so slightly. Maybe I'll pop that underneath my brow bone as well. Oh my. Let's move on to underneath the eyes. I think I'm gonna go with the blue. Why not? So I'm gonna take a pencil brush and this blue up here, and I'm gonna apply that underneath my eyes. And I'm gonna take the purple and apply it in the outer corner, the periwinkle blue. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. I'm going to go in with this purpley blue now, the periwinkle, and I'm just going to apply that on the outer portion. Just tie the whole look together. Okay, that's a very colourful eye. Not something, like I said, that I envisioned. I'm going to apply lashes and wing liner, and I'll come back to you guys and we'll discuss what I'm going to apply to my lips, because that's going to be fun. Okay, now I've liner, lashes on. I'm going to move on to the final products, which are the lip products, and I have the Pillow Talk lip products here first, and then the other products I have are their little jelly bean lipsticks, or jelly belly lipstick, and then they also have these lip balms, which obviously I won't be using today, but I really like these. They come in this like really pale shade, so again you can use these on the lips and the eyes, and I really like the color of these. Lips, eyes and cheeks, sorry. They're like a universal product. And then these are the Jelly Belly. They're lipsticks, so they look like this, and there's like a bright pink, but it's more of a balm, like a tinted lip balm. They're really sheer. This is called Cherry Aid, and this is called Pink Lace, and it's like a coral shade, and again this is quite sheer, very buildable. So that's what that one looks like. You can see them there on my hand. But these are what I'm most interested in trying. These are the Pillow Talk matte lip cushions. So the first one I have here is called Cuddle, and it comes with like a little applicator. So you obviously squeeze it, not too much. Oh, I'm always afraid using these that like so much is going to come out. Quite bright. I don't know if you can see that there. This is the coral one. I love this one. I've used this actually before, and it's really bright. Kind of brown shade called Honey Bun. That one there, that's like a chocolate brown. I think I'm going to go with the coral shade. Because of the type of product that they are, they're literally supposed to be like a tint to the lips. They're not supposed to be anything kind of crazy. And that is kind of the thing with Korean lip products and makeup products. They're all kind of like a tint. And even like I'm just back from China, and everything was like, all the makeup products out there were more like you had been like sucking on a lollipop and it had tinted your lips or tinted your cheeks or something. It was really sheer. That's just the style of this. I really like it. This is the perfect time to test this makeup out. So there you go, and there you have it. So that is the new K-pop collection from Penneys, and this makeup look is definitely something enjoyable for me. I'm really loving the colours, the bright colours. It's very spring. Probably not for everyone, but hello, spring is here, and let's get into the swing of it. Yeah. Definitely my favorite makeup product from this whole collection is the Beaming Shimmering product. I've used this, like I said, when I was in China and in Vietnam. I was obsessed with this, and I need to get a new one of them. And also I'm quite obsessed with both of the palettes, like the Sweet Cheeks palette. It is so versatile and universal. And the Bubble Blush Cushion Blushers were my favorite product, I think, from the blush products. And then I also really loved the highlighting sticks. I thought that they were great, the illuminators. I think I liked pretty much everything. The lip products are so universal, again, that you can use them on the lips and cheeks, and there's so many different ones. The Dream Cloud creamy blushes I would 100% use as lip products, so they are going to be a lip product that I will dip into. I'm just going to fly a little bit into the center. If you guys are interested in any of the K-pop products, they're all in your local Penneys right now, which is so exciting. I will list down all the products that I used today, or all the products mentioned, along with the prices, because I know this is going to be something you guys are interested in, knowing prices, etc. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, sorry I've been MIA for so long, but we're back to filming, back to the routine. Let me know what you guys would like to see in my next upcoming videos, and I will talk to you guys then. Mwah. Bye guys, I love you.